Today we feel like having a restaurant food this weekend, and we are on the way to Ruby, Khana Khazana, the famous Indian cuisine in Oman, especially in Muscat. So can't wait for that, guys. Let's go there and I'll show you what we're gonna eat. Hey guys, we are about to reach the restaurant Khana Khazana. The time is 1:30 afternoon. Very hungry, no breakfast in the morning today. We reached the destination Khana Khazana.
Hey guys, we are here at Khana Khazana restaurant. As we said,
Each and every single design of India. This restaurant itself talks a lot about India. You can see all the Indian monuments which is being put on the wall, and it's really amazing and so colorful.
guys, here we have our billing counter. So our friend is there. What's your good name, yeah?
My name is Manoj.
Manoj. How are you, Manoj?
I'm fine. How are you?
All good, yeah. When you guys have opened this restaurant, how long back?
It is opened in 2002.
2002, huh?
Yes.
Long time. Really good, yeah. And how's the business nowadays during this COVID and lockdown time?
Yeah, lockdown time actually parcel is there, delivery.
Okay.
But dining
So dining is less, takeaway is more.
takeaway and delivery is more.
Chalo, that's good. Thank you, Manoj.
Each and every sections, each and every walls. For that matter, you can see the doors, the carving of the doors. It's absolutely traditional.
So guys, here they have put thermometer for temperature check. They are following a proper health and safety measures, like they have kept sanitizers on all the tables. You can see their atmosphere, their ambience, a typical Indian style. So it itself represents their name, Khana Khazana. Hi, yeah. What's your name?
My name is Mark, sir.
Mark.
Yes.
How are you, Mark?
I'm good, sir.
How's everything?
Good, sir.
All
Where are
good?
you from, Mark?
I'm from Philippines.
Wow, nice to see our friend is from Philippines.
In the Indian
In
restaurant.
the Indian restaurant.
I'm working here for 15 years.
Wow.
15 years in this restaurant itself?
Yes, sir.
That's really good. Very good. How you are liking Oman?
Oman is good, sir. Very kind people and nice place also.
Guys, I'm just sharing a glimpse of this restaurant with you. So if you have any plan to visit Khana Khazana, it's in Ruby, Muscat location. You can Google it through maps, and they have really nice meal. Especially all Indian kind of a cuisine you will get here with the reasonable prices. Hi guys, as we said, we are here at Khana Khazana, famous restaurant, Indian cuisines. So we are going to order some food. Let's see what we have available here.
So good afternoon, sir. Myself, Yuvraj. I'll be taking care of your table, sir.
Good afternoon.
And thanks, sir. This is some traditional Indian dishes.
Okay.
Can you suggest in both veg and non-veg?
Yes, absolutely. We are known for most of like a seafood also, like tawa, surma, that is kingfish. You must try. One of the best tawa surma.
Okay.
Secondly, I would like to recommend Iranian tawa, the chicken Iranian tawa.
Okay.
And Siam chicken. It is known by Kalimit tikka also.
Okay.
So that's also one of the best of us. We have mutton. We have the Raunak Sikh kebab. That is mutton Sikh kebab also one of the.
We are looking for in main course, not in
Main course, yes.
snacks.
So in main course you can try the moog lava tikka lava. That's one of the best.
Okay.
And you can have it with your assorted bread platter. You have different five rotis in it. So like Makai.
I think that's
I think that is the perfect
Mixed
combination. Like you were saying to try mixed bread.
Yes.
And the other one, what you said, the dish now?
That mook tikka labab.
Is it boneless or with bone?
It's boneless, sir.
Okay, one of that. We will try that.
What do you have in biryani?
Biryani we are known for like we are part of Indian food, delicacy food. So we are the chicken dum biryani for you.
Ah.
It is with like parda.
Guys, one more person is about to join us. So we'll order chicken dum biryani for him. We will introduce you also with him shortly once he is coming here.
He's very fond of
So
chicken
with
dum
chicken
biryani.
tikka biryani?
Yeah, we'll go for chicken dum biryani.
Chicken dum biryani, mutton tikka
Yeah, then he said,
and mixed
he
bread.
said, yeah, the mixed bread.
So with the yogurt also, that raita also along with it.
Okay, what would you suggest in veg? One more
So in veg, do the dal makhani.
dal makhani.
Dal makhani is one of the best.
A typical Indian style dal makhani?
Okay, we'll go.
How we enjoy in India, like people very like dal makhani and butter chicken, all those things. So dal makhani is one of the best.
Oh,
I think that will be
we'll
good,
try,
right?
we'll try. Go ahead.
So give us a dal makhani, give us a mook tikka lababda,
Yes.
and
Mixed
mixed
bread.
bread and chicken dum biryani.
Drinks also introducing like fresh orange mojito. And strawberry
It's
mojito
so
also.
summary. We would prefer lemon
With
soda. You have lemon soda? Okay, lemon soda.
Fresh line soda?
Fresh lunch.
Okay, give me a sweet and salty mix,
Next one, okay.
but don't put ice. So my
All without ice.
Sure, sure.
Okay. Sweet fresh and soda, sweet and salty.
For now, then let's see.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Raj.
you.
Thank you.
I'm so hungry.
He is our third person who's supposed to join. Hi Mr. Sini, how are you?
Fine, Ashwaz, how are you?
How's your day going on?
Good, going good.
Good?
Good.
We ordered chicken dum biryani. As usual, you like
Thanks.
always chicken biryani.
Yeah, I love chicken biryani.
You love?
Yes.
Okay. Food is about to come. We'll have together.
Okay, so thanks.
We got our food. As you can see, whatever we have ordered. Look at the presentation. Look at the food quality. So here, I think so. What we have, Naveen, here?
I think I
Must
love
be a dal
this.
makhani?
Yeah, look at this.
Wow.
Wow, it's so amazing.
Wow.
And I really like the pot they serve. And this is something unique. I haven't tried this way.
Dum biryani.
This is called dum biryani, and I know they have some cover to it.
Can we open this one, Naveen?
Yes. Let me try this cover out. I think this is completely steamed, or baked, whatever it is. Wow. Sorry, guys. Never mind. I'm just going to use my hand.
No worries, no worries.
Wow, look at this. It's perfectly cooked. Wow, it's so amazing. Very amazing.
Really nice. So guys, here we have a dum biryani. Then they have served with the raita. Then here we have murg tikka lababda, sorry. Then here we have assorted breads.
Wow, what are these
naan.
colorful breads, Ashok?
That is a misi roti and makai roti. We have a lacha prantha. We have a butter naan also in that.
Amazing.
So all mix. So let's start.
And last but not least, and these little ones, pickle.
Okay.
And what is this called?
Mint chutney, right, Yuvraj?
This is mint chutney. Look at this quality, is really amazing.
Wow.
Wow.
Let's
I'm
try
going to
it.
enjoy it, guys. I cannot take it anymore. I'm damn hungry.
No worries. Mr. Sini, your biryani is here.
We are going to start our food. Let's see how's the food quality and taste especially.
This is mook tikka lababda.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mook tikka lababda.
Thank you, Yuvraj. Thank you. That's it.
Let's try this one first.
Wow. Can't wait. I'm so hungry.
Really good, guys.
Naveen,
Ashok, allow me to eat. I can't wait anymore. I'm
please,
so damn hungry.
please. This is what dal makhani, right?
Mm.
Yeah. How's the food?
The very perfect texture, very creamy,
Okay.
and all those dals are well cooked. So
Okay.
it's amazing, and I've not tasted this before, to be very honest.
Okay.
And I really like this one.
Okay.
Now let me have.
The next.
I forgot the name of this dish.
Murg tikka lababdar.
Murg tikka. So I think this is grilled. before it cooked.
Yes,
Is
yes,
it grilled
yes.
before it cooked?
Yeah.
I can feel it. I think it's a perfect grill, which is soaked in this gravy. It is cooked so well, and all those ingredients got blended in that.
Yeah.
And ingredients what is being used, it's really popping up in the mouth. It's really amazing. And I really love this dish. Ashok, thank you for bringing me for Khana Khazana.
No worries, Naveen.
The sauce which has been given for
Mint-
tikkas basically.
Mint chutney.
Mint chutney.
Yeah.
And the color looks amazing. So I just want to try this with the biryani how it tastes. I'm going to try a little bit of these. Wow. Look at the color combinations. There's so many color blended in here. Okay. My all-time favorite is rice. Let me try. I'll try with chicken. Oh wow. It's really very tender. It's cooked completely in the, they call it as dum biryani. It's cooked in the
Dum.
dum.
Yeah.
Meaning with the coal on it or something with the heat fire on it, right?
Heat fire.
It's, yeah.
Yeah.
So let me have this one. Very nice. It's really good. It's absolutely delicious. You can see all those ingredients blend so well. You have to visit Khana Khazana and you have to try this dum biryani. I've become a favorite of this.
Thank you, Naveen.